Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to create and use ad templates in BannerNow. Here we have a banner set, and we're going to turn it into a reusable ad template. To do that, click the three-dot menu next to the banner size and choose Mark as Template. Repeat this step for each banner size in the set. Perfect. Now the next time you create a new banner set or add a new banner size, you'll be able to use the templates we just created. Let's click Add New Size and see how it works. Let's switch to the Templates tab. Here you'll see your new template listed. You can also uncheck Public Templates if you want to view only the templates you've created yourself. If you want to make your template easy to update, like quickly changing the logo or text, we'll need to set up a few settings first. Let's go back to the banner set we marked as a template. And click Edit. Because this banner is now a template, you'll see additional template settings. This is where we can add bindings. For example, let's add a logo binding. Select the logo layer, choose Image URL Property and bind it to the brand logo. Next, let's add another binding for the product image. Again, we'll bind the image URL property to the product image. We'll do the same for text elements. The text description layer text value will be binded to the product description. You can also add restrictions. Here you can choose layers that shouldn't be editable or movable. For example, if you want the logo to stay in a fixed position, select the logo layer and enable the lock option. This way, when a designer creates a new banner from this template, they won't be able to edit or move the logo. You can apply additional restrictions to the same layer if needed. Once you're done, click Save. Go back to the dashboard. Click Library and open the Brand tab. Then click Create New Brand. Rename the brand to My Company. Upload the logo file for your brand. Here you can choose the default brand fonts, or enter the additional defaults like product title. Let's add a default product image. Enter the product description. This is where you can define everything: brand colors, background color, price, and more. Click Create. Nice! We have created a brand. Now let's return to our banner set and create a new banner size using a template. Switch to Templates tab. Uncheck Show Public Templates. Now let's select our brand. This option is especially useful when multiple brands use the same template. Be sure to select the template size we've prepared. Click Use. As you can see, the logo, text, and product image are now pulled from the brand assets. In the timeline, notice that the logo layer can't be selected, edited, or removed because we locked it and applied restrictions earlier. And that's how you create templates in BannerNow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.